Hey guys, Joe here at JP Details and welcome to the final episode of the world's most neglected Subaru Impreza STI restoration. This episode's primary objective is to show you the finished results after the Subaru's 46.5 hour detail. I've got a few different things that I want to talk about, including what I've learned about detailing this car and a few other things that you should find either beneficial for yourself or generally just interesting. So, on arrival, this recently imported Impreza STI was in a rather sorry state. The exterior hadn't been given a thorough decontamination in quite a while, which was made obvious by the amount of iron fallout on the bodywork, tar deposits on the lower sections, and tree sap and other nasties that gave the top surfaces of the car a rough finish. The full decontamination process was the first step in restoring the Impreza's condition, which from start to finish took 6.5 hours. The main thing to resolve was the condition of the paintwork, as it was covered in an abundance of swirls, scratches and general defects. The level of defects on the Impreza Import was pretty much the same story over every single body panel, which was a clear sign that this Japanese import had not been polished in quite a while. A two-stage machine polish using the Rupes polishing system with patience worked an absolute treat for the super soft paintwork. The paintwork did cause a few headaches over the 25 hours of correctional machine polishing, but with a bit of experience, patience and general common sense, the Impreza STI has now been restored back to a fantastic condition. G-Technic, Crystal Serum Light and XO-V4 are going to provide the paintwork with an excellent level of protection for the next 5 years, and the windows and wheels are protected for the next 2 years, making this vehicle super easy for the owner to maintain. I spent 11 hours in total applying the CSL black treatment to the paintwork inclusive of the wheels and windows. I spent 4 hours giving the interior a detailed valet, making the grand total of time spent that went into the Impreza at 46.5 hours. I do have some bad news about the Subaru. The day it left my unit, the engine apparently pooped itself and it is now currently having a full engine rebuild. Please follow that JDM_STI on Instagram to follow this Impreza STI build. I'll leave you with a few final before and after shots of the Subaru, and hopefully one day we will get it back on the channel for a maintenance wash. As always, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel if you aren't already, drop the video a like as it really helps the channel to grow, and don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Just search JP Details. I'll hopefully catch you in the next one.